Okay guys, gonna go to the traders clinic in the Discord and ask Scruff, and let's see what's in there this morning. So let's flick this over, and we've caught up. We're up to LB, so a little salute to you, my kid. Regarding full markups, do you mark at the beginning of the week chart and leave for a week, or do you do it daily? Also, I gather if price breaks a high low of the chart markup levels, you should redo the levels right at this point. Okay. It's not a difficult question to answer. The answer is yes. I look at my 4 primary markets, or I'll put it another way. I won't mark up more than 4 on a weekend. A good way to do it is sort of mark gold up, mark the DAX up, mark your favorite pairs up. So for me, it's kind of US JPY and pound JPY, simply because they're what I'm trading mostly at the moment. I used to trade cable a lot, but it's been moving that slow at the moment. I kind of leave it alone. Might revisit it again in January. But mark 4 charts up at the weekend, and then if you see a product that you like, well, you're only really doing a quick markup on a morning as you're preparing. Now, if you do a full markup and you put a floor and a ceiling in, that is well above the price using a monthly and a week, well, using a monthly really, what you'll find is you've always got levels that are there ready, so you don't necessarily have to remark the chart. And that's just the way I do it, because if you think about it, a monthly isn't going to change in the week. The weekly isn't going to change because it's going to take a couple of candles to create a new spin. And even a daily isn't really going to change across a week, because in order for it to turn the price, it needs 2 or 3 candles for you to visually be able to see the turn. The week's over. So as long as you've got it all fully marked, you'll be fine. So I hope that helps. Catch you all in the next one.